The Jordan brand's 40th anniversary may be wrapping up, but it's clear the momentum isn't slowing down. As we head into a new era of releases, one standout for early 2026 is the return of the Air Jordan 9 Flint Grey. This upcoming pair brings back the iconic look fans loved, combining clean white leather uppers with smooth Flint Grey suede overlays, supported by subtle hits of French blue. The color blocking stays true to the original style, preserving that classic AJ9 energy that collectors appreciate. What's interesting is that Jordan brand is changing things up with the packaging. Unlike the 2002 drop, this retro won't feature the classic Jordan face box or retro cards, even though the OG pair originally included them. The Flint Grey AJ9 joins a lineup of first-time returns like the Jordan 14 Forest Green, Jordan 5 Wolf Grey, and Jordan 6 Oreo. Expect the Air Jordan 9 Flint Grey to launch on January 24, 2026.